Welcome to Tornio, a city in northern Finland, right at the border with Sweden. Here you'll find no signs of a border, except for this heart, which symbolizes a long history of transnational collaboration. Tornio and the neighbouring Swedish town of Haparanda have been working together as twin cities since the beginning of the 1960s. And Finland and Sweden's entry into the EU has brought the two communities even closer. Simply put, two mayors and two local authorities from two different countries have joined forces to make things happen.
If we have a structural fire in Finland, automatically Sweden, Haparanda, will get this call and help the Finnish fire department.
Swedes and Finns, who, don't forget, have different time zones and currencies, cross their shared border every day to work, to shop or go to school.
Suomalaiset käsi ylös.
I often cross the border because we go over there to buy stuff with a car, and there's also a lot of other stuff like restaurants, really good ones. There's no difference, it's like you're in the same country the whole time.
The EU customs union is key for the ties between Tornio and Haparanda, as this old building bears witness. Once used by Finnish customs officers to check goods passing the border, it now has a completely different purpose.
Nyt missä me olemme on Tornion tullin Näräperän tulliasema. Tämä taustalla näkyy, niin tämä on semmoinen kontrollihuone. Ja sitten kun Suomi liittyi EU-hun, niin meillä ei ollut tarvetta enää tätä pitää, joten tähän tuli vapaa liikenne ja tämä rakennus myytiin pois.
In the absence of internal border checks, customs officers now rely on modern technologies, making their work more efficient and effective. As for the old border checkpoint, it now hosts small businesses, and it is surrounded by a golf course where you can cross the national border and a whole time zone with a single shot.